Hey filmmaker, Chung here. In this video I'm reviewing the Hohem iSteady Pro2 splash-proof action camera gimbal from Hohem. It comes with a pretty nice hard case and several accessories. First are two USB cables, one to USB Type-C and the other to a USB micro. These are used to connect your action cam to the gimbal, however if you do that it won't be splash-proof anymore. The other USB cable that you get is for recharging the gimbal with. And the last thing that you get is a tripod feet. The iSteady Pro2 has a IPX4 rating, which means it can be splashed from every side, however it cannot be submerged underwater. Mounting your action camera is a little bit finicky, but this is like a standard way on many other action camera gimbals because this is a more of a universal mount, so you can also mount like your DJI Osmo Action or other action cameras. This is a similar size and weight. It does have the angled back motor, however in reality when people are using it, they always hold it in an angle and still block the screen. Turning on the gimbal, we hold down the power button until the blue light flashes. And now something that I really don't like about this gimbal is the mode button, because there are two modes you need to press 3 or 4 times, and that is quite a lot of presses and you kind of can easily miss the timing and not get into that mode. Because I often use pen follow and lock mode the most, and switching between the two often is much easier on other gimbals with one press, but now you need to press 3 times, which is a little bit too much. On the left side you will find a roll rocker which will rotate the roll axis, however it's not for a full 360 roll, but it's also not really that great because when it rolls to one side it's quite limited and it slightly pans. It's much better to use the all follow mode, which you can get much more extreme angles but also control the speed much better. On the front of the gimbal we find a trigger. When you hold it down it goes into sports mode, or double tap to recenter the gimbal head. On the side of the gimbal we can find an extra 1/4 inch mount where you can mount accessories, and a full-size USB port to recharge something else, and a small micro USB to recharge the gimbal itself. Make sure to place back the rubber cover correctly, as this might affect the splash-proofness of this gimbal. The battery life of this gimbal is 12 hours, and to fully recharge it, it takes 3.5 hours. So I really put it to the test and used it in the rain and to see if it's really splash proof and if it keeps working, and to my surprise it actually does its job. And honestly the biggest issue I mostly have is the raindrops falling onto the lens itself, and that I need to clean it quite often. So if you are interested in the iSteady Pro2, there is a link in the description below where you can purchase it. And if there is any questions, please comment below. And if you want to see more upcoming videos, please hit the subscribe button here below, and also make sure to hit that bell icon so you're always updated when I post a new video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you the next time. Bye bye!